Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning. Today I'm going to show you what happens when you throw this magical thing inside of your toilet. Can you guess what this is? Any guesses? I bet many of you are going to say that is a dishwashing tab, and you are wrong. This is not a dishwashing tab. However, it works in much the same way. It's good at fighting grease, which is contained primarily in your poo, which leaves stains and stuff along the rim right here. Before I tell you what this is, let me tell you how you use this right here. Now, you may have seen the internet, lots of recipes where you can make your own DIY poo bombs. But I'm gonna tell you something right now, they're lies. They're all lies. Why do I know that? Because I have made them, and you're gonna have a disaster on your hands with baking soda and citric acid and vinegar, and it's not gonna harden. And you're gonna be like, why did I try that hack on the internet? It was a waste of time. This is what you want to do instead. This will save you so much time. It's also an excellent gift idea, real or gag or housewarming gift. You put this before you poo or after you poo, or if you just want to freshen up your toilet so that you never have to clean it again. Well, almost better. And it does smell better than almost any cleaner on the market. Let me show you. We're gonna drop it in there. It's going to dissolve just like the casing that you have on the dishwasher tabs. Let it do its thing. You're gonna smell it. After a couple of minutes, you putting it in your tank, then what you can do right up here, just keep these on top of your toilet so that they're easily accessible. I got this at the Dollar Tree. These are called Dude Bombs, but they are not just for dudes. They smell amazing. They also make potty mints, if you like that word better. Any of these things, look at this right now. Look at, it's doing its magic. And it smells amazing. Whoa, whoa, look at that right there. It's like a science experiment in your toilet. So rather than wasting your time making concoctions in your kitchen with things to put in your toilet, get yourself some Dude Bombs. These are all linked in my Amazon store along with the potty mints. So you can see the casing right there. Again, the same thing happens with your dishwasher tabs. Let's give it a little flush-a-rooney, shall we? All right, toilet is done running, and it looks whiter, better than ever, and it smells absolutely wonderful. You can just leave that sitting in your toilet for as long as you want to. Do not leave these out for your kids because they're gonna think that they are candy. But this is just fun to leave by your toilet and again, give away as housewarming gifts. Give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're wondering what happens when you dump dishwashing powder in your toilet, I will link that video in the description box below. It's one of my favorite ways to clean a stinky, yellow tinged, dirty toilet and make it white and bright again.